people can do that through profession. Just you are a dentist by profession. Is that the right word to say, or you're a radiologist?
Yeah, you can just use any of the two words.
Yes.
Because both is like, that is what
So
I
you're a
do.
doctor.
I'm a doctor. You can call that.
So if we talk about your profession as the most respected one, most needed one, but through profession you're anyway serving. So should we see कि हमको serve करना है तो हम professional line and career को ही we can take it as a way.
I think this is more of a statement of convenience.
Okay.
This is people who use this sentence कि मैं अपने profession के through serve करता हूँ, या फिर मैं अपने परिवार के लिए भी करता हूँ, वो भी एक सेवा है. That is more a word sentence we are using for applying our comfort zone.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा उसके आगे जाके एक समाज है, एक देश है, एक सोसाइटी है. Now, if everybody is taking care of their own world, then what happens to the world which is in need? मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ. मेरे घर के बाहर कचरा है, और मैं बोलता हूँ मैं अपना घर साफ रखूँ. I'll keep my room clean. So everybody in my neighborhood is keeping their room clean.
Yes.
And what happens to the garbage on the road? Then we say that is municipality's work. But municipality can take away the garbage. What happens about throwing garbage? So till the time हम limit कर रहे हैं अपने activities को और अपने भाव को भी to our small world, we are doing, but we are not doing enough. आज के ज़माने में, maybe in a different yug, suppose we are talking of Satyug, then it was fine because then the world was perfect.
Okay.
Then you did not need additional work. आज कलयुग में the world needs more than just this ideology कि हम अपना देखें. Because there are a lot of people or a lot of forces in this world जो इसके विपरीत में सोच रहे हैं. तो to counter that, okay, there is good people and there is not so good people. Let's not use the word bad. The problem never is that the bad people are anyways very less in the not so good people are anyways a minority in the world.
But
we all know that.
We think they rule the world.
Yes, and they make the more noise. That is the point. आज अगर आप न्यूज़पेपर खोलेंगे तो 95% of the news is negative news.
Yes.
कहाँ पे कोई स्कैंडल, कहाँ पे कोई थेफ्ट, कोई डकैती, कोई रेप, blah blah. But in your own personal life आप देखेंगे 95% of the people are good people. How many in your own personal life are bad people? तो एक डाइकोटमी हमें दिख रहा है. हमें खबर मिल रहा है दुनिया में खराबी है. अपनी जिंदगी में हम देख रहे हैं our people are good.
Because we want a flawless society, so we are flagging the wrongs.
No.
So that we can correct them.
No, it is because the bad people have this beautiful quality of being dynamic.
Oh.
A person who wants to do a bad thing never waits for tomorrow. Like तुमको चोरी करना है, तुम नहीं बोलते यार आज मन नहीं करे कल करेगा. मगर तुमको कचरा साफ करना है, तुम बोलते यार संडे को करेगा. The good people are
lazy.
Peace loving people are not dynamic. They like inertia. A terrorist never says कि यार बॉम्ब मारेंगे आज मन नहीं कर रहा यार, परसों करते हैं ना, वो आज ही उठेगा,
They
सुबह
look
उठेगा.
for opportunity.
हाँ.
Yeah.
So the 5% people who are up to mischief are people who are very dynamic.
Yes.
Who don't
Because
need,
you have to be alert to do that.
I don't know why these two qualities match, but somehow it is ingrained in them. They don't have to give given lessons on procrastination, on laziness, on lethargy. If we can change that, if we can make it a peaceful dynamism, means I will work for the good, but I'll be dynamic. Then that order is again established.
Then you need reward system. You think incentivizing people for some return on doing good.
To start with.
Okay.
But not as a method. To start with, to get people to do something good. आप 10 लोग को लेके बोलो कि आप झाड़ू लगाओ, हम आपको ब्रेकफास्ट खिलाएंगे.
हाँ.
So it makes sense. Till it becomes your nature. Example, toothbrushing. First, initially you don't know how to toothbrush. Your mother goes behind you to make you brush your teeth, and then she gives you some reward. Brush करोगे तो तुमको आज ये मिलेगा. Then after some days it becomes your habit. Then you don't need any reward. So it cannot sustain itself on reward.
Okay.
But to start with, you're right. We might need a certain level of incentive.
Because to do something dynamic and do something wrong, you have some reward of money, power.
Anything.
But here, when you do good things, there's no such money, power, and powerful element. So it becomes more like, why to do? I'm okay.
Unless person who's doing good gets that first-hand experience of the feeling he gets once he does something good. Actually, the problem doesn't even lie in all this discussion. The problem lies maximum of our youth, उनको सेवा का अनुभव नहीं है. They have not experienced it. So all this discussion is happening in a space where people, it's like 10 people talking of love and never being in love. तुम एक बार रास्ते में आके कुछ करो लोग, तुम गंगा प्रोजेक्ट में आओ सुबह, आके तुम 2 घंटे वहां से कचरा हाथ से उठाओ, फिर आधा घंटे उठाने के बाद उस जगह को देखो. वो जो है ना उससे बढ़िया कोई
So you're
वो
saying
नहीं
that
होता.
experience is what people are missing out and they're
And
wanting
hence
to.
we are talking of हमें क्या देना चाहिए, कुछ नहीं चाहिए. If you have the experience, उससे बड़ा कोई reward नहीं होता.
Even the peace is an experience which people have not got, but they're craving for it
Yes.
again
And
and
that is
again.
why we have debate and discussions happens till you are experiencing something.
Mm-hmm.
वो गाना है ना ताल में, तूने इश्क का नाम सुना है, हमने इश्क किया है. Like you can keep on talking about love till you are actually in love.
But most of the people have experienced love and gone through heartbreaks.
Yeah, so
That
that's
our
why,
youth
that
is
is
very
why there is no
active.
podcast over whether love exists or not.
Yeah.